Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So we've got a new video for today. So yeah, I think you already know the box, right? So yeah, and also you already know the thumbnail and also the title of the video. So yes, I've got a new watch, okay, and this is a digital watch. Yeah, okay, so here it goes. Yeah, and also I bought this for only $12 in Walmart. So yeah, they got some awesome watch right there, right? So and also they got some $7 watch, which is a rollback price. Yeah, and this one right here is what I like about this one is also, yeah, it is also already set. That time is, or yeah, that time is already set in this one, okay? So no need to how to open this one, okay? Okay, how to get it? Okay, so no need to set it, no need to set, okay? It's because it's already been, okay? Okay. Okay, that is why. So it has a okay, this one. There's a there's a cable tie, right? So all right, so this we're gonna have to check this out, okay? So oops, sorry. Okay, so okay. Okay, so here it goes. Yeah. And then it's already been taken out. Okay, so I'm gonna have to check it out. Okay, so how good is this watch? Okay, so since my watch is gonna be put in also my left wrist, so yeah, still I'm gonna have to put it into my left wrist. Yo, nice. Okay, I love it. Okay, I really like the style of it, right? So since I'm going back to analog, right? I'm going back to analog, so I'm gonna have to, oh, love it. Okay, nice. Okay, I'm gonna have to, okay, I'm gonna have to, oh, nice. Okay, I love it. Okay, there you go. So all right, so there you go. Yeah, I love it and also really good. So and it's also I have some other watches like kind of like this one, right? Digital, okay. Uh yeah, so okay, digital and digital slash analog, right? So and also I really like it because the numbers are big also. Yeah, and it's gonna have to oops. Or as well, we've got some set right here, right? So there's a light in here. Look at that. So yeah, there's a light also. Yeah, nice. Also, it is also feels so comfortable in my wrist also, and that's so just like us, not just like the smartwatch. Sometimes gonna be hurt my wrist also, but this one right here is yeah feels comfortable to me. So really good, and also I really like it a lot. So this is gonna be my new everyday carry watch, right? So everyday wear, okay. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna have to sometimes I'm gonna have to wear my smartwatch, but notifications keep popping up, so does the notifications keep popping up and vibrating in my smartwatch, so that's why I decided to like this one. So we got some stopwatch right here, right? Start and stop, we got a start. All right, okay, and we've got the reset button right over here, the mode, and also the light. Okay, so yeah, perfect, and also good, and also really like this one. Okay, so and yeah, I'm gonna have to take it up first, okay? So let's go check some. There's no the brand for this one is George, right? So yeah, it's George. Look at that. Yeah. It's George. Okay, so I'm gonna have to check that out. Yeah, love the strap on it. And then also one good thing about having a kind of watch like this one is lifelong battery, right? So when it comes to smartwatch, my smartwatch gonna be full battery, right? And then I think a couple of days or 2 to 3 days, yeah. So gonna be the percentage of the battery is gonna be 30, okay? Let's just say 30%. So yeah, I'm gonna have to charge it up. And then, kind of hassle to me, kind of hassle is because, I'm gonna have to charge it up. So this kind of watch also, is you're gonna have to lifetime battery, right? So a lifetime battery, which is also a really good, watch to have. And getting reconnected to the real world, right? Real world. Okay, so yeah, reconnected to the real world. So yeah, planning to shut. Yes, planning to shut down social media, but I'm still making videos. You're right. So I'm still making videos. So I'm just uploading videos, right? I'm just uploading videos. So not gonna watch those. Not gonna watch those. Not gonna watch those fake news in the social media like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and also Threads, right? Fake and also AI. So yeah, just one thing, because sometimes Facebook Reels, Shorts, people around that making fake videos, making AI. So yeah, so that is one thing also. That is one thing also I don't like today's tech, right? I don't like today's development for the future. So okay, what the future holds, right? So yeah, really sucks about this AI thingy, right? So since really hate AI, so yeah, so when the AI arrives, oh my god, okay, so full of crap, full of like that one. So yeah, gonna have to sometimes you just have to change how the way that it goes. Yeah, go back to the old times, right? So just using calculators, using basic calculators, right? Using basic calculators, using PDS, what is it? PDS or PDA? So I forgot that one also, and then watching DVDs, listening music to CDs, like that one, right? So reconnecting and also having some cameras, like digital cameras, right? So that is why like that. Okay, all right. So yeah, so okay, I think that's it for this video. So, and also I hope you like it. So yeah, my final thoughts about this one is, yeah, I really like it. Okay, so and also gonna be so what I'm having right here is also this one right here, George. So battery is also right here, CR26. Okay, CR2032, right? So water resistant and also 50-meter, right? Deep, okay, and also from China. Stainless steel case back. This one right here is a stainless steel, right? So okay, I think that's it for this video, okay? And also if you like it, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos. Okay, so stay tuned and see you again on the next one, okay?